Khichdi, the ultimate comfort bowl we all grew up with. But today we're taking it way beyond basic. From a flavour-packed Lasooni Palak Khichdi to a home-style Dal Khichdi and even a wholesome Oats Khichdi that's perfect for clean eating days, we are going to learn how to make 3 types of khichdi today. So let's start with the vibrant and aromatic Lasooni Palak Khichdi. Start preparing the base by washing your rice and yellow moong dal thoroughly and then soak them for at least 30 minutes. Once soaked, strain and transfer into a pressure cooker with salt, turmeric and water. Now cook for 2 whistles on medium heat and let the pressure release naturally. Now start making the spinach puree by boiling water with a pinch of salt. Now add the spinach leaves and cook for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Immediately dunk them into ice cold water to lock in that bright green color. Now add the blanched spinach, fresh mint, coriander, green chilies and garlic into a blender and grind to a smooth puree. Now prepare the tempering by heating ghee in a pan and add cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Now add hing, chopped ginger, garlic and broken red chilies. Cook for a minute, then add onions and saute till translucent. Now add tomatoes, salt and powdered spices. Cook until the tomatoes turn completely mushy. Now pour in your spinach puree and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. The next step is to add the cooked rice and dal into this spinach gravy and let them simmer together for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now for the second tarka, heat ghee, add garlic and cook until light golden. Now add whole red chilies and red chili powder and pour this sizzling tarka over the khichdi. Serve hot with a bowl of cool raita. This is perfect comfort. Now for the timeless classic Dal Khichdi. Soak rice and arhar dal for at least an hour. Now drain, transfer to a pressure cooker and add water, turmeric, salt and hing. Cook until you get 1 whistle and turn off the heat. Now in a large, heavy bottom pan, heat ghee. Add cardamom pods, bay leaves and cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Now add sliced onions and saute until light brown. Mix in tomatoes, salt, green chilies, curry leaves, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, ginger and garlic paste. Now cook this masala slow for 5 minutes until fragrant. Now add your cooked dal rice mixture, adjust your seasoning and stir for 2 minutes. Now turn off the heat. Simple, warm and soul-soothing khichdi is ready. Now let's end on a healthy and colorful note, Oats Khichdi. For this, heat oil in a pan, add green chilies and coriander powder and mix well. Now add onions, saute until softened. Now add potatoes, mix in fresh beans, carrots and peas. Season with salt, garam masala, mint leaves and a dash of lemon juice. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now boil water in a pot and cook the oats until soft. Now add the cooked oats to a bowl. Now place some spinach in the center, spoon your colorful vegetable mix over it. Now drizzle some ghee, add a lemon wedge and your light yet flavorful oats khichdi is ready. And there you go, 3 incredible khichdi variations from indulgent to classic to clean and wholesome. Now let us know in the comments which one are you trying first, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.